Good morning, YouTube. What? He keep doing this to me. I think he do it on purpose. Look,
What are
I
you
hate
talking
being on
about?
the right side. I
I
hate being on
didn't.
the other side.
I didn't do that.
You
I
did it.
didn't.
You
I
did it.
did.
I
I
know you did
didn't.
it. I know you did
All right. Well, if he doesn't want to be on the right side, he can just not be on any fucking side. Fuck you.
it. Man, stop playing, man. Stop playing. All right. Anyway, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T. Hobbs. Of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals in the building. What's going on, brother?
Fuck you, bitch.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is Friday. It is Friday, but we don't have any huge news. But today is OPEX Day, Triple Witching Day. It's not Quad
Oh,
Witching Day. Like
fuck. That's what I meant
today
to title
is.
the stream. You just reminded me. I meant to put it. I meant to put triple witching, but I forgot.
You can change it.
I could, but that's so much work. Now.
It is what it is. But today is Triple Witching Day. By the way, there's an inverse head and shoulder as I'm talking on the 15-minute. Looks like we're about to push back up. Take that how you will. I see the head, I see the shoulder. Entry at 894, potentially looking to get those highs at 918. So before I get too deep into my intro, I'm just letting you guys know I do see the inverse head and shoulder. So that being said, welcome to the Trader Shop, man. Welcome to the Friday. Please make sure if this is your first time tuning in, make sure you tip the motherfucking barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. If you're here this morning this early, it's because either you enjoy our company or you love those pre-market plans and getting ready in the morning. So that's what we're going to get right into. I'm going to jump right into the pre-market plan for NQ, and then Justin's going to break down the pre-market plan for ES. So if you were watching the market last night on the 4-hour or the 15-minute, we were just basically traded sideways. But bulls were able to manage to push price back to the previous day high. Previous day high sits at 15907.50. So overnight, we got back to the previous day high. And then we created this weird support, right? Like I kind of named it the overnight support because that's basically what it is. And that level sits between 1589325 and roughly about 15875.50. So what I have is it appears that they have intent on going higher because no matter what happened, we couldn't break below this box. Sellers kept price above or kept price from going higher, but buyers were intent on holding this uptrend, which is the more important part, right? On the 4-hour, we're still in a very nice uptrend. We're just kind of consolidating to, in my opinion, potentially go higher. So my goal on the day, things that I can control, today is OPEX day. So I expect max volatility. If you don't know what OPEX is basically options expiration day, right? Whether there be sell or put options or call options, it's when all the big boys start closing out their positions, right? And that creates a ton of volatility. So knowing that, I know that the tape may be doing some crazy shit. So I need to be aware of that, but also be patient and will be the key for my success today. All right. So let's go right into the bearish plan because I only got 2 of them right now. All right. So what I'm looking at is there's a 4-hour zone on NQ that was created back on November 15th. So we can look to short weak rallies into this 4-hour supply, 1539150 through 1597775 is where I got the top. I ignored this extreme wick because it was CPI. And then, or I think this was PPE actually. So we can look to target first the previous day high. So again, right where we're sitting right now, this yellow line, 15907. And then we can look to target this overnight support if we continue down short aggressively into 1589275. So that's my first bearish plan. My second bearish plan, I don't know why I got my plans all over the place this morning, but anyway, my second bearish plan is if this overnight support breaks. Now, when I say break, I want it to tumble, and then I will play a break and retest. I'm trying to be sure that I put that in the plan. Play a break and retest, because if this falsely breaks out, best believe everybody's going to be looking to get short the minute this breaks, and that's also an opportunity to potentially get long. So I want a complete breakdown and then a retest of this area, and then I'll look to short the market, right? Into this 30-minute demand zone that we found. I believe this one was formed. Let me go down to the 30-minute. This one was formed actually yesterday at 10 p.m. Right. So this was actually the trade that Justin took that formed a beautiful demand zone. And by the way, he absolutely destroyed that trade on ES when we got off the stream yesterday. So congrats to him. So that demand zone sits between 15837.75 through the previous day low at 1579.25. All right. So those are my two bearish plans. So let's get right into the bullshit. Get it? Bullshit. All right, bullish shit. Okay, never mind. Nobody got it. Whatever.
It wasn't that
whatever. The inverse head and shoulders is potentially failing here, by the way, because this downtrend is looking like we're about to create new supply. Just a heads up. All right, bullish. Look for buyers to defend 30-minute demand at 158375 through 15797. Remember, I've talked about this buyer down here. He's the reason why we can't get any lower. So if we do get him underwater, I haven't created a plan for that, but I know exactly what I want to do. Basically, break and retest, play it short into the supply zone. But we'll get into that if we start coming down. All right. We can look to long the market into overnight support / resistance, because if we break through here, this overnight support now becomes resistance, right? So if we get into this 30-minute demand zone, I'm looking to take longs, or I'm looking to look for longs in this area in order to target 15880. And I actually like this plan because the market's starting to sell off to start the day. And I like that because that starts to give liquidity to my bullish thesis. All right. So the other bullish thesis is if we get back above this level, let's say we, push back up here and we hold this level, which this is not invalidated as of yet. But what I'm looking for is for buyers to defend the overnight support. So right where we're at right now, selling off, I want to see a defense here, maybe a liquidity sweep, and then us push back up. We can target first the 4 hour, well, basically it's 4 hour supply at 15931.50. And then for the extreme, I only wrote one for bull case, but above 15978, we can look to target 160275. And then the same thing I just talked about for the bearish case. If we finally get this guy at 15791 underwater, it's night, right? Like that's basically what I'm saying. We break, we retest, we're going straight down to 15749. We get through 749, we're going to 15613. I don't know which way this market wants to go. All I know is we're overdue for a sell-off. So I'm looking to trade it both ways. And yeah, that's my pre-market plan. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out on your trading day. Justin, what do you got for us, bro?
You know what's funny?
What's up?
My pre-market plan for NQ is damn near identical.
Yeah, it's what's happening. It's what's happening.
It's just kind of funny because all my levels are damn near the same. Like the only thing that you didn't really talk about, but you have on your chart because I can see it, is yesterday's high of day and how we failed to hold above it. But other than that, and I have that same exact level too.
Look at my screen.
What the? Wait. What the fuck is that? The fuck did you do?
I just tried to drink my shake and it went all over my face.
What the fuck? I missed it, and then I saw some shit on your face. I'm like, the fuck is that? It looked like you got fucking vitiligo. If y'all know what vitiligo is, look it up. But yeah, that's funny. All right. Let me show y'all ES. I am trading NQ today, but let me show y'all ES real fast. So my ES plan is it's a work in progress right now because it's weird. If we look at NQ, let me just go back to NQ real fast and let's go to a higher time frame. Not that high. 1 hour. There we go. All right. If we look at NQ, you can see a huge difference between NQ and ES. NQ is nowhere near its highs right now, right, from Wednesday, but ES is got damn near broke it, right? So really weird to see ES rallying a lot more than NQ. But anyway, from a macro standpoint, yesterday we tried to break down. We failed to get below 4,500, and we ended up rallying. So that was a great defense by the Bulls. Bears tried. He paused. Yeah, for real, Malik, pause. But Bears tried to break us down. They failed. I'm gonna talk about the trade that I took in a second, but they failed to bring us any lower. We rallied, and we rallied all the way back up to supply. And this happened by the end of the day. Overnight, we continued on this rally and we almost broke above Wednesday's high, but we failed. So, with all this, knowing all this, my plan is any dips back down. So, like a dip maybe back into this 1 hour right here that I'm seeing. Actually, I'll mark this, even though I don't like it to be this close, but a dip back into this 1 hour, maybe even a break below here and a failure, and then we come back up to trap sellers, I'd want to take the market long, right? So that's the first idea, and that's very short term. That's just kind of like the short term idea that Hobbs has about us breaking the low, retesting it, and then coming back lower, right? So short term for bulls, if we come down in this area, I'd want to see us bounce, or if we break below the low and we can't hold, we trap some bears and then we bounce and we come back higher. The same is true on the opposite side for bears, right? If bulls bring us up here, either up to this highest point or above the ultimate high, and they can't bring us any higher, then it's just going to cause us to come down lower, trapping all the bulls up here. So those are like my two short-term scenarios, is either we trap bulls or we trap bears and we push higher or lower. Now, if we just continue to push down and we don't enter in the short, then I would look for the same thing that happened yesterday to happen again today. But the context is a little bit different. Today, I don't think that this is going to be as reliable. Now, the tape will tell me otherwise, but we've already tapped pretty far into this liquidity area. And so I think there's a bigger chance if we come back down here that bulls are going to have a much harder time defending it. And the same thing for NQ. If we come back down here, we almost whipped all the way through. So this zone has pretty much been ate through already. So I think bulls are going to find it very hard to defend, and it could cause a further sell-off. So those are basically my main areas of interest. And then on ES, if we do end up rallying and we do end up holding just like to the downside, I'd want to see a break and a retest of the Wednesday's high. We break and we retest Wednesday high, then I'd want to take the market long, targeting this demand zone right, or the supply zone. And if you miss all of that, then you may be able to short up here, although it would be short-lived. It would have to be a scalp. You wouldn't want to step in the way of buyers if they're really, really strong up here. But those are really my only areas I'd really be looking to play the market. So that's what I got. I got about 4 or 5 plans on ES that where I'd be looking to trade, and then whatever pops up intraday. But for my trade yesterday, let me go to the 5-minute. So you won't be able to see this on the candlestick chart. You'd have to use the tape. But yesterday, right at the end of the stream, I kept telling everybody, hey, I really like longs. And all y'all motherfuckers probably thought I was fucking crazy. Y'all probably thought there ain't no way this market's about to bounce and rally. We've been selling off all fucking morning. The buying looks fucking weak. The selling looks fucking strong. But that gave me even more confidence that I was right. Not to mention, looking at the tape, I saw nothing but selling, right? And you got to think about it the opposite way, right? If you see all this selling, there was so much selling on the tape. If we look back at the tape, there was nothing but red. And I use Delta, right? And Delta basically is just buyers minus sellers, right? So if there's a lot of red, that just means there's a lot of sellers in the market. It was from about 45.15 all the way down to the low. There was nothing but selling, nothing but red. And I loved every single minute of it, because what it told me was, hey, if these sellers can't bring the market down and we start to rally, we're going to cause a short squeeze. Now, hindsight being 2020, I kind of look back and realize, like, oh shit, you know what? We're up at the highs. So a short squeeze like I wanted to see actually probably wasn't going to happen, because I really wanted to see us come out and take out these highs on this rally right here. I wanted to see a major short squeeze, but the context is we're at the highs. So who the fuck are we squeezing out at the highs? There's not very much sellers above us. So that's the reason why the short squeeze was short-lived. But over 45.15, we got a nice pop because of the fact that this is where all these selling started, right? So whenever you see a ton of selling in the market, you really have two choices. You can either hop on the train with the sellers, but you got to do it early, because if you wait too long, you end up getting trapped, right? And you don't know where you're going to be trapped, but I had a pretty good idea that this demand zone could be an area where they could get trapped. And we had the context of 4,500, and then on NQ, it was Hobbs level of, like, I think it was I think I found a level at 15,800, but there's also another level right somewhere in here. There was like a ton of buys.
It's 15,791, and
15,791.
we bounced at 15,796.75.
Yeah, so
so 5 points. I was off by 5 points.
So you put all that context together of heavy selling, right? Sellers are they're trying to break through a wall, right? They're trying to break through this wall that is demand, support, whatever you want to call it. They keep punching, right? You see all this selling. Eventually, if the selling starts to slow down or if it stops,
somebody gonna punch back.
Exactly. Somebody's gonna punch back, and it's gonna be a buyer that's gonna punch back. And then what ends up happening? Well, let's say, because we got time, right? Let's say you decide to get short.
I gotta get a hoodie, man. I'm feeling like you over
Yeah, it'd be cold in my house. Let's say you decide to get short like right here because you think, oh, we're coming down lower. We've already seen all this selling. We're coming down lower. Well, where are you gonna put your stop? Most likely, you're gonna put your stop up here. Oh, sorry, you can't see this line. Let me make this line white. There we go. All right. So let's say you decide to get short right here at this line, right? And this is really late, but you don't know. You don't see. All you see right now is this right here, right? This is all you see right now. You just see all this selling, and you decide I'm gonna get short on this candle because we just try to get higher and then we failed and we moved down lower. And I'm put my stop at this previous candle right here, right? Well, what happens when you get stopped out? When we come back up this way, you got to buy back. And if everybody was getting short in this area and they haven't taken profit, their stop losses are buy orders. So when they get filled, they're buying the market back, which is only going to fuel the market higher, aka short squeeze, right? So that was my thesis for the trade, is that, hey, if sellers can't bring us down any lower, all this selling that I'm seeing on the tape, they're going to have to buy their positions back. And that's exactly what happened. We end up putting in a nice inverse head and shoulders, and then we rallied. We started stopping all these late sellers out, and they all had to buy the market back. Then they tried again to come back down. The neckline held, and guess what? All these motherfuckers that got short again, thinking, hey, this is a higher low, we're going to come down lower. They get trapped. They got to buy the market back, and it causes an even bigger rally. So that's a little bit of like auction market theory. That's a little bit of context, kind of reading the tape a little bit. But yeah, the point being is you should have a plan for the market before it gets to a certain area, and then just to react to what the market's doing at that area. Trading is literally that simple. We make it complicated, but it doesn't need to be. You should already know where you're looking to trade before you put on the trade, and then you're just waiting to see what the market does at your area, whether that's a trend line, support and resistance, supply and demand, using tape. It doesn't fucking matter. Pick an area, wait for the market to get there, and react to price when it gets there. That's all you gotta do. So
I'm glad you said that, because we shout out to Trista. She came in, and every day after the markets close, I like to come in and kind of review things. And like, she was brave enough. I asked her, she said she had a bad day. I asked her to kind of show me some of her trades, right? And when I say it's funny, I don't mean it like ha ha. I just mean like it's a coincidence, because literally we were going through her trades, and every single trade she lost, guess where she was trading at? She was trading in this shit, right? What I like to call no man's land, right? Once price has already decided to enter in what's called, there's 4 phases of the market, right? I've always talked about this. There's the accumulation, distribution phase where we're consolidating, right? And then there's the mark up and mark down phase. I think, and I'm a strong believer, that point of origin is where you want to be trading, right? That's where you want to be entering. Even if point of origin is broken and then you get a retest, that's also a really good area to trade, because you're still in the point of origin. Where you don't want to be trading, me personally, where I don't want to trade is, I don't want to trade, for instance, I don't want to trade this, right? If I didn't get in somewhere in here, in the point of origin. Why? Because the market likes to play with its food when it's in the mark down phase or the mark up phase. Because what will most likely happen in these scenarios is people that start to see and they say, man, I missed this money. Fuck it, I'm gonna get short because this shit's going ham. What they don't see is that these buyers have been defending all fucking night, right? So what the market likes to do is put you in profit just long enough to take your fucking money, right? And that is called point of origin. So once we understand that, that's why we come out with these elaborate pre-market plans. Because to me, if you understand what the market is doing, you're prepared, not surprised, right? So that's why we come up with pre-market plans, and that's why we come up with areas where we want to trade, so we can avoid when the price is going and everybody's scalping or whatever. And I'm like, yeah, that's cool. I'm not tripping. I used to trip. I used to be like, man, fuck it, let me take a trade. Everybody making money, but I'm not tripping because I know that's not the way I want to trade. I know for a fact I'm not a scalper. I'm a point of origin trader, right? And to be a point of origin trader, you have to be patient, right? You have to be, because I feel like I can make much cleaner money if I'm in this area here, as opposed to trying to figure out when this candle's going to pull back, and get in and go, right? So that's one thing I wanted to talk about. And then the other thing I wanted to talk about was the plan for next week. Next week is Thanksgiving. Next month is Christmas. So let me just give you guys a heads up real quick. There's 9 people in here. Not a lot of people, but I want to make sure we tell everybody so you're not surprised. I don't trade Mondays. Thanksgiving is like Wednesday or Thursday or some shit like that. Thursday. Right? Turkey Day is Thursday. Justin's going out of town. We're not finna fight and try to like stream and do all of that stuff when we're trying to spend time with our families. So if you want to trade with us, we will be trading, but we won't be on YouTube. You want to trade with us, the Discord is $15 to try it out for a week. It's $40 for a month. That's a selfless plug. But we will be trading, but we'll be trading only in the Discord. The trader shop will be closed all next week, and then it'll be closed the week of Christmas. And we'll put that in the community tab as well. But all next week will be closed, and then all the week of Christmas, and then probably like a couple days for New Year's. The market's a half day on Thursday, I think, and Wednesday maybe. I'm not sure. I got to look at the actual schedule. But the market's not going to be very volatile anyway. But I'm still going to trade. I'm just going to size down because I need the days for my Apex account, right? So just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you are in the Discord, we'll do the same thing like we do every morning. We'll come in 7:30, 8 a.m., make a pre-market plan. The only difference is we won't go live. It'll be more personable. You guys can ask questions during the live trading event, all that good stuff. So I just wanted to throw that out there.
Monday, I don't think either one of us are going to be. You're not going to be there Monday, right?
Nietzsche in the building. What's going on? What up, bro? He said, "See, hey, look, you can't be calling me that on here, man. They'll know about that, bro. They'll know about that side of my life.
Is that your rap name? Swag Boys in this hole.
What's going on? Hey, Nietzsche, they don't know. They don't know, bro. I'm a different human being over here now. Now I trap for this money. You know what I'm saying?
I heard
yes,
stories.
Exactly, bro. Exactly.
I heard stories, so I'm pretty sure.
They don't know. They don't know. What's going on, brother? Glad you found the channel finally.
Sure that's so Lil Wayne song, right? T Street.
Yeah, no doubt. So, Justin, did you drop the Discord link at the top of the chat?
No, it's in the description, but I know nobody apparently goes to the motherfucking description.
Exactly. So you got to put it at the top of the chat every day. So,
but before I do that real fast, I just wanted to comment. God damn it, market, stop it! Don't play up my plan before the fucking market opens.
We got 5 minutes, man. I'm betting on 30 minutes. I'm betting on the 30-minute demand. That's what I'm betting on.
But one thing that helps me not trade in this chop right here is actually the volume profile. If you know about the volume profile, you don't want to be trading in the area between the green and the yellow, because that's where the most volume has been traded on the day, and this is where retail likes to trade. Fucking institutions, they trade on the outside of the volume profile, right? That's the extreme. So that can help you stay in a box, and not chase price in these areas where price can go up and can go down. So. Oh shit! Bluetooth disconnected. So yeah.
Bro, I think I know why there was an echo. The echo was coming from. I think he's talking to his wife. Yeah.
I'm listening. I was listening.
I think the echo was coming from my phone because yesterday I was in the live stream, but I was Bluetooth connected, so you could hear it in my headphones, even though I had the volume all the way down. I think that's where the echo was coming from. All right, so we're getting that here. Let me say this real quick. So this is those areas that I'm talking about. What did we just talk about? Literally, I said, do not try to short this shit down here, because what Price likes to do is Price likes to sweep these lows and catch all of these motherfuckers off guard and then run this shit. I don't know if they succeed because sellers look very aggressive on the tape, but these are areas that I don't like to play around with. I just like to wait to see what's going to happen. What I would like to see for me to potentially trade this is I want to see a break of these highs right here and a retest of these lows right here, right? Which we all remember is called an inverse, right? Head and shoulders, right? The white collar.
Oh, you want this to come back up?
Yeah, if this comes back up, I'll look to trade it basically a liquidity sweep down. See how we getting all this volume in this candle, but we're not coming down.
Yeah, what I want to see is I want to see this thing break down and move away from these lows, and then come back and recess it. The further it moves
come all the way down to
better.
the extremes. Yeah, like I would like that better too. But I'm just saying, like, if I was to trade this is what I would look for before I trade it. I wouldn't. Basically, I'm describing. I wouldn't want to be a first buyer. I just wait to see what happens right here.
Yeah, I want to see a 5-minute candle close below this level, which it looks like we're going to get, because sellers are getting real active down here.
Nah, it's T highs, man. They cool with T highs, but
yeah. Oh shit! Yep.
There we go. Aggressive.
Yeah. They trying to.
Hey, Nietzsche, you got to slide in the Discord, man. Jump in that link, man. It's $40 a month.
Let me go ahead and put that in there. Just remind me.
Yeah, Justin, he lazy. He gonna.
No, I legit forgot. Like, it's all you gotta do is click the goddamn description. You make it hard on me. God damn it.
All right, it literally takes 2 seconds to drop that shit. Change a character on into NQ 1 minute. Yeah, we had to change a character, I think, right here, right? Like once we drop below this low here, we had to change a character on the 1 minute. And now we're just setting lower highs, equal lows. Then we put that lower low in, that lower high, and now another lower low. Let's see if we can continue with this downtrend. I'm cool with the downtrend. Like I said, I got an area of interest down here at this 30-minute demand zone where I'm looking to trade, but we'll see. I don't know. As much time as bulls spent up here last night, I thought that they would break, honestly. I thought that they would either break down or push back up. And the fact that we didn't do either one on a day before OPEX, there is a lot of sell side liquidity on the tape right now. So either way it goes, like I'm not looking to trade the first 30 minutes or so. I'm just looking to see what Price is trying to do. Like if Price decides to sell off aggressively, that makes me feel good, because I'm only looking for like 30, 38, 36 points today so I can get this thing funded.
The question is, I'm gonna start with 5 micros. I'm up, but I want to be up a little bit more before I go to a whole mini.
Word.
I literally cannot pin this right now because the stupid heart shit's in the way. All right,
sorry.
thank you, Micaiah, for fucking.
Oh yes, that was the last thing. Apex is back to 90% through the holidays, so loaded up on some more 100K accounts. Yeah, I just load up on the 50K accounts. I don't need 100K.
We're now pinned to the top, and the market's about to open in 6 seconds, and it looks like we're. Oh, yep, there we go. We are selling.
Let's get it.
All right, the market is open. I want to see the market sell off and then come back up for a retest. We moved pretty far away from 877, so now I can just wait and see if the market comes back up and retest that and holds. Preferably not looking like this, though.
All right, and for those that were asking me, like, I watched the NQ on 4 different time frames. So I watched the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, and this is supposed to be the 1 hour, but I might have switched on accident.
How many ticks is 60? Is that 20? Is that 20 points?
Divided by 4.
Okay.
All right, and then we got that fake out liquidity sweep down. Let's see if these bulls kind of step in here. I don't know if this is a fake out though. Looking at the tape, this looks like true selling right now. Yeah. Okay. All right, let's check on the stocks here. I like to watch all 5 of these as well. You can see Apple was at 30-minute supply right here and looking like it wants to reject, but we got to get below these lows at 189.52 for this to be true selling, in my opinion. But Tesla's coming down. Google's coming down, but it's approaching a 2-hour demand, AK, and also the previous day low. Microsoft is coming down, but it's also in demand. There's two 30-minute demands back to back on Microsoft. So I don't know. Nvidia's trying to break below the previous day high, but also finding buyers down here. So yeah, just give it a little time for me anyway. For my blood.
No, 1,000%. 1,000%. The market could sell off here, but it looks like buyers are trying to somewhat.
It's going down. Yeah, it looks very bearish. It looks very, very bearish. It keeps testing that level. Yeah, it's trying. It keeps trying 1852. And if you look on the tape, they're here. I'll show you guys the tape here. They're actually loading. They're actually trying to protect this area. You can see that they're loading liquidity here. And let me take this down. They're loading liquidity here at 857.
Yeah, we're coming right back up.
See? And you see this consolidation we're getting at these lows. It's not aggressive buying though, so that's aggressive. There we go. Nice little consolidation at the lows and then a nice little pop out of here. So I just like to be patient and wait. Yeah, and then Nvidia's flipping bullish right now on the 15-minute, trying to close bullish. 12 minutes left on this 15-minute candle though, but it does look like we're trying to find buyers. So just be patient. For me, I'm just gonna be patient. Disney cashed you out. Let's go, Black Beauty Machine. Coming in second for the payout. Let's go. Yeah, we're getting a nice little reversal here. Potential reversal. 15 minutes still looks indecisive in my opinion. So.
Buyers are starting to look weak back up here at these highs.
Mm-hmm.
Looking very weak back up here.
Yeah, we're definitely in a downtrend on the 15 minutes. So, yeah, just being patient.
Yeah, this open is super volatile though. I like it.
Yeah, welcome to OPEX Day, baby. Yeah,
Super
so we got
volatile.
over here on the 15-minute. This candle's basically being indecisive in the first 5 minutes or so. 5-minute looks the same way. Doji candle, potential print here. The 1 hour is telling the full story, like we're coming down, right? The 1 minute, we're failing to get back above these highs right here. So this high is holding, right? So we just draw a little box right here. And for my box drawing stuff, I like to change this to, I don't need that whole extension shit today. There we go. Yeah, so if we draw a little box right here, as long as we stay below this box, we're gonna keep going down. So and again, failure at these highs. Buyers look pretty weak. So I expect this downtrend to continue. Again, just looking at the 1 hour, looking at the 1 minute, all the confluences are telling me we're going to continue to go down. So again, my first level of interest for buyers is down here in this 30-minute demand zone. If we cook that shit, then like I said, 791 is the key for bearish, real true bearish activity for me. I want this thing to, we need a flush out day, right? Like today would be a good day to flush out. So
these lows are interesting. Let's see if bears can break it.
oh, they're gonna sell this shit down.
Yeah, it's looking like we're gonna drop base drop on the 5 minute.
Yep.
These lows got to break.
These are the areas that I don't like to trade in, right? Like this is the markdown phase, right? I think here would have been a good entry, right? Like if you were gonna take it short, I think getting the retap of 873, maybe the failure at 870 would have been a really good entry just because we built some type of structure here, right? I think those are good entries. If you're going to enter in the markdown phase, get in when we're at a stopping point, right? Like, but for me, I don't like to enter in the markdown phase or markup phase at all because it'd be some weird shit that be going on in these phases. So this is when they be snatching all the liquidity. Crude for Junior JR bullish reversal, gold bearish. Gold bearish, does that mean we're bullish? Or is that or do we follow gold? I don't really follow gold as much. I
Yeah, I don't
probably
know.
should though. Let me close Apex. I'm done over there.
Is the market gonna make a decision?
5373.
Did you take a trade
yeah.
today over there? Did you just take a bullshit trade? Okay.
Yeah, I took a micro. I lost. I tried to long the top. Didn't realize it was the top because I didn't have it charted on my TraderVid account. I was trading blindly. I was like, we had a pullback. I was up like 12 or 20 bucks or something like that, and then I didn't close the trade. I was looking for a push into my profit target at 26. I didn't never get it. Gotcha. Looking aggressively selling on the tape here. The 1 hour again looks nasty. Alien monster.
Yeah, I think we coming down.
Yeah, 791 is that level for me. So that's that dude. I'm looking for a nice little double bottom down here. And if I don't get it, or not a double bottom, just I'm looking for buyers to step in down here in this 30-minute demand zone area. Bankum. Continuously coming down. This 15 minute candle is looking very, very bearish. But again, just remember we're in a bull market, or the market is in an overall uptrend on the macro. So there's certain levels that I'm looking to break before I start. I mean, if we come back up to that level, I'll short the market. But down here, I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs. Fed speaker 0945. Fuck that Fed speaker. Let's see. I don't know why my computer's frozen. Oh, because I'm frozen. Okay, there we go.
The market's finally starting to, as I speak, the market's not slowing down. I was like, the market's finally starting to slow down. No, it's not. No, we're not.
Yeah, Gooseby speaks. We got building permits, all things happening at 8:45 Central, 9:45 Eastern. So first 15 minutes, no thank you. Thank you, Micaiah, for that update, sir, on the news.
Yeah, we're coming down.
We got 18 people in the building. Please make sure you tip the barber, aka hit the like and subscribe button. We like to keep a barbershop vibe in here. If our language offends you, probably don't let the kids listen to our show, because we do cuss a lot. I mean, but we cuss in the barbershop, so it is what it is. But that being said, please make sure you tip the barbers up here. We work hard all night cutting hair and charting and all that good stuff. Yeah, make sure you tip the barbers, hit the like and subscribe button, share us on Twitter at @the_trader shop, at Seals the Games with no Z, it is an S. And that drop-based drop is playing out very nicely on the 5 minute up here in the right corner. And the 1 minute here is looking extremely bearish. But again, for me, I'm looking to see how we react at this 30-minute demand zone in this previous day low. We got about 6 minutes until Gooseby, this is a fucking weird ass name, until Gooseby starts talking. So what I like to see down here is an aggressive candle, like an aggressive liquidity sweep, and then watch the tape to see if I can catch a flip. So right now, I'm just not seeing buyers step into the market just yet. So
his favorite holiday is Halloween. So
whose favorite holiday is Halloween?
Goolsby.
Oh.
Every year he dresses up like a ghoul. Yeah.
Let's get it. Micaiah says he's up 1,000 on 4 new accounts. Those are done for the day and working on the 5th. Let's get it, bro. G-Cart says, good morning, all. Good morning, G-Cart. And
good morning, Billy.
Wiser than most says, another shock of the hour. What's up, MJ?
Man, we got stars in the building.
Yeah, we got just stubbed across you guys a couple days ago. Surprised how few in here liking it. Hey man, that's because you know what it is. Like, we don't put out videos. Like, we're like, and I said I was gonna put out a video yesterday. Then I realized I had stuff to do. And I was like, I can't do a video today. I think that we need to tickle the algorithm a little more, because I think we do offer some good stuff. But hey man, we're doing this right now just to share our journey. We're working on being funded traders. I'm actually a funded trader now. Actually, Apex. I just finished my last day of trading on Apex. 7 days. I'm up 53,300 and some change. So Apex should be good to go by Monday. I'll be trading my funded account, and then Topstep. I just need to make like $700 today, and then I'll be funded over there. And then I'll start working on multiple accounts. My goal is to get about 5 to 10 accounts on Apex funded and get 3 accounts on Topstep funded. So the goal is to make very, very small amounts of money, but multiply that over multiple accounts and, show you guys how to make real money in this shit. Like, we've been trying really, really hard to just focus on the process. And, we're starting to hit milestones in our process. And we want to share that journey with you guys and, invite you to join the Discord if you like. It is a paid Discord, $15 a week, $40 a month. But if you don't want to, you're more than welcome to just hang out with us here on YouTube. We're tapping that 30-minute demand zone right now. Again, I'm just, what up, Jonah? Looking for a liquidity sweep in this area. Again, approaching that previous day low at 15,79675 as well. News is dropping in about 3 minutes. So if you're short right now, great job. I think those were great short opportunities. Again, I would have liked to have been short this morning at 910, but hey, it is what it is. I was making the pre-market plan for you guys. So, but I'm looking at longs down here. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, there's definitely a lot of selling going on. Could set up the same as yesterday.
The tip is just to hit the like and subscribe button, man. Go ahead, Joey. My bad.
Oh, he said, "What's the tip? It's money. Tip me money. Give me more money."
The market pulling another Will Smith today, getting chopped from behind hard on my trade.
Chopped.
All right, and then at this 30-minute demand zone, you see we're just watching the 1 minute. I'm just watching to see how we react right here, right? Because I want to see bulls step in, but I would like to see a liquidity sweep. But if we don't get the liquidity sweep, then what I like to do on the 1 minute is I like to draw a little line right here, right at 842. If we break structure above 854, then I'll look for a retest of 842 and see how price reacts. And I'll call that an inverse head and shoulders. If we don't close above this structure, then I'm not interested in a trade. I just look at this as another fake out to go back to the downside. So, but yeah. I can clearly see that the interest in buyers is starting to kick up a little bit down here, but that was a failure. So we'll see.
I'm waiting. My level is still 820.50. That's where I'm my 30-minute demand. That's where we bounced from yesterday. I know we created new demand, but
yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm waiting for 829.50. It didn't come up as high as I wanted it to short it. I could have taken the short, but it didn't 1,000% fit what I was looking for. It did on ES though, but not on NQ, so it's all good. I'll just wait. Plus, I don't know. That was super volatile. I'm not a fan of that much volatility. So
I just want a liquidity sweep. I just want this shit to dump, and then put me back in the game. I hate when we just do these little slow reversals. NQ in 841 is a pivot. I don't know. Yeah, I like I said, I type. Seems like me and Maccabi on the same level, but I tapped 842 as a potential area of interest. Like if we can get buyers to aggressively step up, and like I said, close above 853, come back down and retest this area, I'll look to take the market long off this push out of this demand zone. We got 1 minute until Goldsby starts. What's up, brother? Yeah, I think everybody. I mean, this is basically the low of last night, right, or the low of the previous day, and it's close to the low of the. I know I got to be exact with Jonah. We're close to the low of the previous day, right? Disney still plumping Black Beauty. Fit the countdown.
Trying to step up down here.
That's an aggressive push. Again, for me, I want to see the push above 850. What the fuck did I just say? The push above 853 hold, and then give me a nice little retest for this inverse head and shoulders, and I'll be interested. There's the aggressive push out of this demand zone area. That's exactly what I like. And now I just want to retest. It's 845 now, so it's a good time for the market to reverse. So if we don't get a retest all the way down here, the other area is 853 that I'll look for retest. But I want to see this closure above 853 first. So what's going on, Twice? Got the barbershop pose in the building. Appreciate you, family. Yeah, we growing, man. Y'all remember the first days we was doing this? It started with just what, like 6 people, 5 people,
Less
maybe.
than that, it was like
Yeah, it was like
3.
3, 4 people first day. See, this is the type of shit that pissed me off. We don't break above this 853, but then we come back down and retest my area, and then this candle takes the fuck off. I will be so pissed if this happens. That's fine. Nice little lower high put in right there.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we push up, create 5-minute demand, come back down, retest it.
Yeah, I like that idea too. I'm more than comfortable allowing this to play itself out. Thus far, we've gotten everything that we've asked for, right? Just need that push above here, and then on the 5 minute, you're right. Like sometimes I get engulfed with the 1 minute. I'd be like, "Fuck, I missed the entry," but 5 minute really is literally playing out exactly how I wanted to play out. So we can get above 853. We can come back in here and test 846, 842 area. I'll be interested in longs. But I do not like the fact that this activity is not as aggressive as I would like. It feels more like this is the first sign of buyers, and I might get my liquidity sweep that I've been waiting on. But just having these little stop points kind of keeps me out of the trade too early or too late, right? Like it keeps me understanding the market structure, keeps me away from the trade until it's ready for me. 8 people, yeah, Jayhawk. It was like the first. It was basically all the Discord that was in here at first, and now it's yeah, we're growing, man. Once we get off our lazy horse and start making videos, I think we'll tap the algorithm a little more and get more people in here. So fifth account is done for Micaiah. On to the next. Let's go, man. Appreciate you. Looks like a small bear flag to me. Yeah. I don't know. We're holding structure here. We're building structure here on the 1 minute. So I'm hoping we push out of this. Goolsby should be speaking right now. We just had the news come in, so I don't know. There wasn't really.
It was like
building
home
permits,
something. Yeah.
permits, and some shit. Building permits and housing starts. Nah, that was 9:45, or at least they combined it all. Let me refresh. It should be out. Yeah, it's out already. 1.49 million. I don't know what any of that means, so I'm not even going to attempt to try to figure it out.
Yeah. Right now, it looks like we're building volume at these lows to potentially come back up and retest the previous high. So I want to see, for me, I want to see what we do at the previous high. So I'm looking at around 866.50, where that swing was, and see if we get rejected there to come down potentially lower.
I like that idea as well.
Because if the market can't get above the previous swing, then it's just going to come down lower. So that's kind of what my plan is. If we do push up out of it, then that'll create this 5-minute demand zone will be valid, and then I can look for the retest of that. So it's kind of where I'm at right now.
Yeah, we're struggling just to get back above 853.
Yeah, just so you guys can see, this is the box. This is my level, 866 to about 8. I mean, if we get above 873, I'm not really going to be interested in shorting the market anymore. Basically, right here is where I'm looking at it. So, basically, my level. And then, yeah, Josette Livingston, you got to be patient. You got to be patient.
Most of the time, I'm just watching the market, guys. Like most of the time that I trade, like I'm literally just gathering data, so that when I actually take a trade, I'm very confident that I got everything I wanted. And it doesn't mean I'm gonna win every trade. It just means that I can stand by those trades because I waited for everything I wanted. Right? Like win, lose, or draw, I'm happy with the trade because I waited for what I wanted. See how we just tried to close above 853 and we got rejected on the 1 minute? Look at this. Every time we try to close above this previous high, right? Justin's looking at the previous swing, which is fine. That works too. But the previous high is right here. And every time we try to get above this motherfucker, these bears step in, but these bulls are still pushing price sooner, right? They're stepping in sooner. So I expect us to break above this and hold. There it goes.
Yeah, that was kind of an inverse head and shoulders a little bit on the 1 minute.
Oh, it
Kind of.
definitely was. As I said, like I be getting mad because the shit don't come all the way down and then it leaves the building without me. I be like, you son of a bitch! I like you just couldn't come. You couldn't go up first and then come back. You had to do that shit right there. I'm like, come on, man. Like, do your damn job, Marky. Stop playing games. 9 man on 5. Thank you. I don't have that up, but yeah.
He
That I
Jonah
don't.
Jonah he too good for indicators now. Not
No,
playing.
that's not true. I have it up
He
on
too
TraderVate.
good for the indicators.
Nah, they just get in the way. This area right here, this swing low right here at 863 is where Justin's looking to potentially see a rejection on the 5. I think that these buyers down here, this 30-minute demand zone, are going to say, fuck that rejection and send this shit,
Yeah, they definitely might.
which I'm cool with because now at least I just want to see some aggressive buying come out of this area. Good, just like that. That's exactly what I want to see. And now I know that this area is valid. So now we just wait for price to come back to us. You could take this initial buy. Like, please don't get it twisted. You can make money off this initial buy and you can take this trade. We called it out from pre-market to now, an area of interest where we wanted to trade. And I'll be damned if that motherfucker didn't take off, right? And look, we're gone.
That's valid.
Now that's valid.
Invalidated.
Now we know where the banks are trying to trade, right? Like, we know that they're trying to trade right here. They're going to protect this area. There's no question about it. That is not an opinion. That is a fact. When aggressive buying comes in like that, it's because the banks are here, right? The banks were baiting all of them into this area saying, oh yeah, we're going to dump all day. We're going to dump all day, dump all day. And now we got aggressive buying coming out of this area. So that's what I like to see. Just give me a break of structure, then come back and see me. However long it takes, I'll wait. I'll wait all day, baby. All right, here comes that test into this was actually our pre-market plan. Take the market long, targeting this overnight support here. Come on down. Pick a brother up or something. Give me a double bottom or something. Because this could be a larger inverse head and shoulder, right? Like, we could come up and then aggressively come down, picking up more, stopping out all of these early buyers, coming all the way back down here, and then we take it long, and then we come in and make the whole reverse. I don't know. Market could do a bunch of different things right here, but I'm just being patient. VWAP here, be careful. Thanks, brother. Makai said 6 account done. Let's go. Let's go. How many fucking accounts do you got over there, Makai? All right. Rejecting right there at that little gray box, as we talked about before, the overnight support turn resistance. Again, I still think bulls have a job to do up here. So, 26 people in the building. Thank you guys so much. Please make sure you let's go drop a bomb. Here we go.
Drop a clues bomb for the people, man.
Make sure you guys tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Again, we go over our pre-market plan in the mornings. Everything that we talked about from a bullish case scenario is playing out. I like this trade. What I like to do though is I like to get a nice little retest before I actually trade it. So this one could say was a nice retest. Could have got me my 30 points, but I'm gonna be patient and wait for what I want. I'm not gonna think about just the money. I'm gonna think about the process. So give me one more nice bullish candle, get above that overnight support, come back and pick us up. Got this little box over here on a book map too. I like this area. I like it a lot. Short 1 at 874. Okay, Jeffrey. I think that's a good short. We can short right back down into that area where we just took off and found all those buyers. So
good job, Jeffrey. I too got short, but we'll see if it works out. I got short a little bit lower than you, but that was based off of the retest of the pre-market low. But if this thing comes back roaring back up like this, we may get stopped out. So we'll see. But I do like the shorts here as well. So
shizzle.
Price could not close back above that pre-market low. So
yeah, that
I
right at that little box right there.
So I'm trying to get down to that demand zone, hopefully create a lower low.
I like it.
It's like a 40 point trend, I think. Something like that. Yeah.
I loaded up to have 10. I did blow one, but it's $22. Mine's only $18. They jipping you, bro. No. It was expiring in like 11 hours last night. So yeah. As soon as that one expired, I knew another one was coming. That's why I was like, nah, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Uh-oh.
Looks like they're trying to looks like buyers are really trying to defend.
Yeah, I like you guys as short. I only like it down to my demand zone.
I mean, I like it down to your demand zone too. Shit.
Yeah.
I'll look to get out if we look weak down there. If we don't crash through.
Justin Hustle for Life says, you left me on ES.
I did. I came back to
NQ. back like good crack, baby.
I go back and forth. I don't know. It's just annoying when I hit a really nice trade on ES, but then
go ahead, speak that shit that we've been telling you into existence. Go ahead, say it one more time.
But I don't trade with large size. I trade with smaller size, so I don't make as much money. So it kind of hurts my feelings a little bit.
So you think that?
Well,
he okay trading smaller size. He just can't do it on ES.
Yeah, you gotta trade 2 minis on ES or a mini at the least. But I want to be able to scale out, so that's where things become a little bit tough.
Don't scale out. Take all that shit. You make more money on what you scaling out of on micros. You could just trade one full mini. I'll actually like this for bulls right here. You could actually trade one full mini, and make more money, and you just take the whole thing. You would make more money just going to profit with the full mini as opposed to trying to hold
That's
the
true.
you know what I'm saying? Like
trying to hold for the
cutting all your shit and then trying to hold for the larger moves. Like you could just take shorter moves with one mini. You don't have to worry about it.
That's true. That's a good point. Bulls are really defending this. I would love to see us just come down and flush, but we are not.
Zabak the Vision said, "Market's so damn addictive. I got the P cup next to the desk." That's when you know you got a problem. Yo, that's fucking hilarious. Actually, like that's pretty damn funny. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, he got all this shit right. Yeah, he got the Mountain Dew, the Honey Bun, like all the. He got the everything. Slim Jims. You can't never get that man on the phone. Nothing. 15 minutes still looks aggressively bullish. So if you're short, just be careful. 25 seconds left in this candle, and we're closing kind of bullish on the 15 minutes. So yeah,
we came back down.
Could have took that lower high, that higher low that we put in, but I really want price to come back to this box. Like it's kind of pissing me off today that I gave you all the extensions of this box that I could possibly give you, and you really just not gonna come back to the box, cuz like that's okay. Come on, this is a lower high being put in right here on the 1 minute, potentially coming right back down. But the tape looks bullish on NQ, so. They're loading up orders down there at 840. I like price to come all the way back down here, so I like you guys as short. I would really like price to come down here and pick me up. So there we go. There's a nice, clean, aggressive short.
Nice higher low got put in. Right
that
there.
was nice. I would have actually added if I was short right there.
I can't add because I'm already.
That's right. I can't add.
I'm already at the 5 micros.
That was a nice ad right there. Yeah, that was.
It's beautiful. All good though. It's all good.
That was beautiful.
My target is 820.
Oh, you got to get all of that.
But my first target is my first potential look to scale out would be the low at 31 or 32 or whatever. So we got to break down below 55 first. Break this low, if they hold this low, then we'll be in trouble.
Bulls are actively loading the tape. Yeah, and Bulls are actively loading this area up right here. So
Yeah,
just be careful.
Is it low? I don't know. It's turned all the way up. Maybe I'll move it closer to me. Is there a Shut up, Jonah. Is there echo, Jonah, or no? Okay, look, it's not that bad.
Is the echo going today, guys? I think it was me.
Okay.
Yeah, I think what it was I was playing the stream on my phone, and I had my phone Bluetooth connected to my Manocaster. So you guys were hearing it. I'm assuming the echo was really low volume.
Nah, this shit was not low volume.
Oh, it wasn't. He said that shit was not low volume.
It was not low volume, and it was me, but it was Hobbs' fault, like it normally is. Normally, not my tech situation. Could be a drop base drop here on the 1 minute. That's what I'm hoping for right now.
It could be a rally base rally on the 15.
Yeah, but they're holding this level super strong and trying to come back up. Yeah,
from the top.
We're holding this pretty strong right now. So I'm hoping that we can break down here, but who knows? We'll see. That lower high was really nice. So
what time frame, Hustler for Life? He said there was a triple bottom. Oh shit, yeah. ES is looking real good. ES is at 1 hour demand. Yeah, ES is actually at 1 hour demand and trying to get out of this area. So
yeah,
we're looking bearish too, man. Like I like you guys' short. Like I said, I'm a fan of the short. I don't know. I was more in love with this area right here, but no harm, no foul. I'm flat on the day. I will not be long in this shit until we come back.
There we go. There we go.
Some type of liquidity sweep.
We just swept right there, but we got to continue. We swept, but we got to continue.
I like this sweep. Come on down.
Sweep, but continue.
We almost there, Joe. You ready?
Uh-oh. Yeah, see, that's not good for Bears right there. We just swept and then ate right back up. We got to see this drop. That was a good liquidity sweep. Yes, it is.
Consolidation, man. Consolidation station.
Yeah, this is about to go. This is about to go right back up. I'm about to get stopped out for break even because I'm not playing with this action right here. I'm at break even because this is not the action I want to see. I want to see this breakdown quickly, and it's not. And then we just swept the liquidity and came right back up. So more than likely, this is gonna take me out for break even, which is just a free trade, honestly. If we come back up and maybe make a lower high here, then maybe I'll look to re-enter. But like I was up like $100, $150 when we broke the low. Yeah, we're coming back down now. Though
it's over though. I was about to say nothing with the stocks show that like you're in a bad trade. I think you're still good.
Yeah, I mean I'm solid right now. It's coming back down. We're moving away from my entry, so we just have to hold below the low, or we got to break this area right here and not reclaim it. If we can close below 55, then I'm good. But right now, every time we come down there, the bulls step the fuck up. So, yeah. And I think they're gonna push us higher. So I'll just protect myself. And like I said, if it sweeps up and then we make a lower high, then I'll just get back in. No harm, no foul. Nothing lost, nothing gained. Yeah. All right. I just got stopped out. I got stopped out. I think it was like a 1 point for like a 1 tick loss or something. I just think that this right now, this is looking like a falling wedge pattern.
I just like the action on the 15-minute. About 9 more minutes left in this candle. I think if we can hold we can. Oh gosh, what an aggressive fucking candle! Right back down.
Mm-hmm.
He said somebody listening to some Jodeci. Don't be hating on our. No. That's not. I don't think it is. I don't like the sweep. Oh, you long, Jeffrey? Yeah, the sweep is where you actually could potentially look to get long. Honestly, I love those sweeps to get long. So, see what happens. Too fast for me to type, but I took that and done another account. One more. Let's go, Makai. That's the last account again. Phew. Let's get it.
Popping them like Skittles.
For the day today, fellas. Catch y'all later. Gonna go run some folks down for the 9 to 5. All right, Micaiah. Say, bro, he out of here. He like, nah, I'm out.
he be in and out the market quick.
I think bulls want to push this, but the stocks just aren't agreeing. The only thing that's pushing up is Tesla, and it's never a good thing. Microsoft is in demand as well. The US 10-year is pushing up. So you want to see bulls push out of this area aggressively. Just not seeing that yet.
Yeah, I think they're going to, though.
I think this is a lower high, a double bottom. Like, there's multiple reasons, multiple confluences here, but yeah, everything, like, the stocks just don't look like, they don't look strong. They look kind of bitch made right now.
Yeah, but Apple's in the area where it could reject and come back up.
Yeah, see, just feels like that chop your ass out of the trade area here. So I'm just gonna be a little like, chill out, bro. Chill out. Oh man, I'm trading today, damn it. I'm leaving this bitch green today. I'm fucking trading today. Bro, I don't either. I just took a quick scalp from 859 up into that high. So I made a quick $100. So I just need like $600. I need $600. I thought we were gonna push, but it looks too choppy, man. Like, I like the liquidity sweep, but they just playing games. So I'm gonna just wait till the market's ready to actually move. But I took my little $100 and I was like, yeah, fuck all that. I'm out. If it pushes out, great. Maybe the liquidity will be there. So I gotta get up to like 54,200. And it looks like I'm gonna be right. I just kept looking at the stocks, man. They just weren't participating. And this 1 minute, just look at this. Apple's coming down even further. Like, but Microsoft is trying to push out of this shit. So when I start getting mixed, yeah, Microsoft look like it's trying to look at the 15-minute. See that? Yeah, Microsoft. See how we trying to push out of this? But Apple is like, the one that I watch is Apple, and as long as Apple's selling off, I'm not long in this market. Like, that's just a rule of mine. So once I saw Apple not participating, I was like, I'm out. And you can see now,
Apple's breaking the low now.
Yeah, once Apple starts selling off, I don't trust nothing else. Like, Apple tells the true story of the market, and if that bitch is selling off, nobody's fucking moving up. So Apple's. Yeah, I scalped it on the little quick flash up, but I should have been short bias because Justin was on to it.
Yeah,
he went to break even, huh?
Yeah, I went to break even. Yeah, I didn't.
No, I understood why he went to break even. I'm not mad that he went to break even because I saw what he saw as well, but it was just a fake out because Apple was telling this true story. Did you get back in?
No, I almost got back in, but
yeah,
I hesitated a little bit. Decided not to.
They were giving us a shot to get out up there. And once I recognized the rising wedge, Apple pulling down, I was like, man, give me my money. Like, give me my little $100. But this is the last area for bulls to step back in right here before we go lower. And this is kind of to the original thesis of, go back up here, pick up all that liquidity, come down, get a nice aggressive liquidity sweep, get everybody thinking we're going bearish for the morning, and then reverse this shit. Like, this is the area where I really want to trade right here, longs. Yeah, double bottom. We're tapping into my little demand zone area here. Shit, I can't even get to my trader base screen. All right, here we go. I
There's
like longs in
there's
this
a lot of
area right
liquidity
here.
right here
A
too.
lot of liquidity. Yeah, I like this area for longs.
Yeah, if we're gonna bounce, this would be a good bounce area for longs.
I'm just watching Apple closely, and Apple's continuing to sell off. So I'm not going to be jumping into this just yet. But 188.77 on Apple, and I'm watching it right here on this tab. So the longer, every time I see Apple coming down, it's got a down arrow, and this bitch is coming down. Like, it doesn't give me warm and fuzzies for my trade just yet. So, but I do like this area. Yeah, I mean demand. That was an aggressive sweep that we weren't able to push price down right there. So
They're coming back down.
These bears are relentless. Like I said, as long as I see Apple falling, and Apple is falling. Look, I'll show you guys on the screen. I'm watching it on the tab, but you can see Apple aggressively falling down to the previous day low right now. So as long as Apple's coming down, like, longs are invalid in my opinion. 188.67 on Apple. I am looking to trade this area long, but I want to see a reversal on Apple or something on the tape that tells me, hey, it's time to trade. The volume area low sits down there at about 832. Low volume node down there. So maybe we flush down to that area. I don't know. I just know I'm not ready yet. I'll know it when I see it. The 1 hour is still aggressively to the downside. Apple again down to 188.62 now. A lot of aggressive selling on the tape here. Same kind of scenario from yesterday when Justin was looking for his long. It's the same kind of thesis I'm looking at right now. Is like all of this aggressive selling, but we're coming into a very, very key area where we bounced every time we came down here. So I want to see more selling. I'm hoping this thing gets extremely selly soon. Breaks, maybe tries to break this low, gives us that inverse head and shoulder that we were talking about, and just patiently wait. If I'm not reading the chat, it's because I'm not looking at the chat right now. I'm on my Trader Vake screen, so I apologize. Coming down to that 832 level.
Yeah, we're pushing down. Bam. First profit target is about to be hit on that short I called out.
Yeah, you gotta get up and walk away, bro. That's the only thing I can say is accept that stop loss and get up and walk away. Because every time I sit here and watch this shit, I find reasons to sell that shit.
Yeah, NQ's way worse than ES too.
Yeah, it's bad over here, bro. It's bad over here. We about to hit that profit target at 820 now. See, they played around with their food, stopped you out for that initial short, and then boom.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're flushing down here. Apple's down. Apple's actually coming back up right here, and this is kind of what I wanted to see from the bulls here. So let's see. There's the aggressive buying coming in. All right, I like that.
Oh yeah, this is lining up to be actually really, really nice.
I do like that. Let's see if it actually holds.
ES just broke below didn't even break below its low, and it's getting 8 back up. And that's why the initial target was right there. Because if we couldn't hold this, that's not good for bears.
That exact scenario that we talked about, that inverse head and shoulders. Now we come back, push above this area, close above this area, and then retest this line that I've been having drawn for the longest. Yeah, I took it. I took it. Yeah, it's all good. I got it. I got it for the team. I'm at break even now. I'm up 400, 300. Come on. Hit my profit target. Hit my profit target. 54,200 is the profit. I'm up 450, 450. All right, I'm about to get up and walk away. All right, I'm gonna lock in. I'm gonna lock in 20 points and then I'm gonna walk away. 47, 57. Take it. All right, you're right. Let me take my shit. All right, I'm out. 54,000. I just need 200 more. We're good. I could have got it. I'm sure I could have got it, but we're good. All right. Literally, the only reason why I'm nervous, right? Checking for his heart. the only reason why I'm nervous is because I'm so close to my profit target total on the day. Like I need to make. Let me double check Topstep because I can make 200. I'm not worried about it. But that was a clean ass trade. Everything that we wanted, we got right there. Like literally, we called out everything that we wanted. I said what I really wanted to see was aggressive fucking selling coming into this level again. Give us an inverse head and shoulders, right? That's exactly what the fuck we got, right? We got the shoulder put in here, aggressively pushed out. That let me know buyers were in the building. We came back to that same level, did a fake out of the lows, put in the head right there, right? I expect price to come down one more time, right? And potentially put in this other shoulder. It'll actually be right here. So this is basically the same exact trade we took this morning in the Discord on a paper trade. But I'm looking for price to come right back in again. And if it comes in here again, I'll take it long again and try to get a quick 10-point scalp. That's all I really need. There we go. All right. So now we're just looking for price to come back into here, right? And then I'll take it long for a quick scalp for just 10 points, just to finish out the day. And then I'll be done trading. And I got to go make my wife some lunch. I love watching you guys.
I gotta leave early today, so that
I think we're both leaving early today. I gotta go get I told my wife I would make her dinner. Make her lunch, fresh lunch, and bring it to her at work.
This is pushing out.
B Livingston, are you a girl or a woman? A man or a woman? You're. Oh damn! Look at this shit. We caught the bottom again. Damn, let's go.
Shit pushed right up, and we broke this downtrend that we were in too.
I'm always lurking too. Oh, bro, the ladies are in the building. What's up, man? Shout out to the ladies. Thank you guys so much for stepping in. Thank you so much for tapping in. We literally called this trade out from top to bottom. I said this was a good trade opportunity long. Justin called out the short. He even called out where the short was going. He said 2-0, but hey, you can't be perfect, right? He had the area.
I said 2-0, but I said we could bounce at the low. So I wasn't wrong about that either.
It wasn't wrong. And look, we called it out. We waited on it. Everybody was patient. I got in. I'll actually show you guys where I got in at. Because I'll show you my entries and my exits real quick, because I never really do that. So you guys you don't think that I'm full of shit over here. But here, let me share this.
Ooh, that held real nice.
All right, so this was my trade right here. This was my initial long right here when I told you I took a quick scalp. So 859, I bought one. I sold at 864. Okay, because I recognized that price wasn't ready yet. So then I looked around and I said, well, if we can fake out and break these lows right here, then I'll look to take the market long on a quick liquidity sweep. Look at the volume area low right here. Look at how there's no volume right here. As soon as I saw that, we tapped it and price immediately stopped. On the tape, I'll show you what this looks like on the tape as well, right? But as soon as I saw that, I got long here at, what is this level? I really don't know. Anyway, I got long at 83725, right? Let me move this shit. That's why it won't do it. Okay. Yeah, I got long at 83775. I put my stop below this low. So I was risking 10 points. My target was these highs right here. So my target was 875. But because, again, I'm in a combine account, I didn't want to take the chance of giving all of that back if this was a false breakout. On the tape, there was no reason to sell. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. But I got a little nervous. I should have just got up and walked away because, again, when I don't get up and walk away, I find reasons to sell, right? Because it's that momentum, that adrenaline, that emotion. But all in all, it's still a great trade, right? Like we captured 837. We got out at 857. That's a 20-point trade. That's a 2-to-1 risk reward, right? Like I was risking less than 10 points and I captured 20. My goal was to get up to 50 points, right? Or 30 points. It was 40 points was my target, right? So now I'll just be patient. I'll wait for another setup. I'm not going to take a random trade. I'm going to wait for another setup and I got to make $200 on the day. And now we're trapping a shit ton of sellers. All of these people that got short up here, they're getting stopped out right now, right? And that's why Justin on his trade idea, he was trying to get out down here because he knew that there was a high probability of a reversal down here. And now look at Apple, right? Look at what Apple did. As soon as Apple came down to its previous day low, right? Look at Apple. Previous day low was right here. I mark these every single day in the Discord. Previous day low, previous day high, every time the market closes. Because every single day, if we get down a previous day low or previous day high, the market will give a reaction there. There's no question about it. It's not saying it will reverse, but something will happen at that area. Okay. So shout out to Leslie. Thank you so much for stopping by. She or he, I don't know. Oh, it's a brother. It's a brother. All right.
Oh, never mind.
Brother said his new sub. Appreciate you, man. Brother. He was about to say something dumb, wasn't you?
Hey, I was. Oh, Shayla said, tell the wife hello. She don't want that smoke. She don't want that smoke.
Yeah, tell the wife hello. I will.
Said a female hello. You see the profile picture, motherfucker? You see the profile picture?
Well, I thought B Livingston. I thought that you spoke earlier, and your wait, wasn't there another Livingston in here?
There might have been.
Oh, see, right here, Josette Livingston.
Oh, I also think that's a female as well.
I don't know. But see, it's not like it tells me. It doesn't like it tells me male or female.
Josette is a female name, though.
I don't know this, Justin. I know one female name.
Have you ever met a male named Josette?
I've never met anybody named Josette. Just to clarify.
Neither have I, but I feel like it's
all right.
It just makes sense. That's all I'm saying.
All right, so I was hoping for a nice push down so we could get another tap into this area to complete the shoulder.
I think we're gonna get it.
Yeah, the Bears look aggressive at these highs, so I'm hoping for another tap down to complete this inverse head and shoulder. Because right now I don't really see it being completed. I mean, I guess we could call it. Well, yeah, I guess we kind of completed it here.
Not yet. We have the shoulder. We have the head. I'm waiting on the shoulder as well, and I'm debating on shorting this down to the shoulder. And then
look
it back up.
Look at the 1 minute though. Where I got in was the shoulder.
Now look at the 5. Look at the 5. It'll all be clear.
Oh.
It'll all be clear on the 5.
Oh, he's like, shut the fuck up. Look at the 5 minute.
Yeah, and there's a nice 5 minute demand.
Everything you need to know is on the 5 minute.
Yeah, okay. Everything you need to see is
very
on the
well,
5.
very well. The point taken. All right, so yeah, that's my next trade idea. If we come back down to 850, again, guys, I don't announce exactly when I get in. Justin does sometime. I don't like to do that because again, I get really nervous. Not because I'm not confident. I'm very confident. I just get nervous because I be seeing the money. I'm like, you know what I mean? So I gotta get, and my profit target just got hit, by the way. My profit target was 876. Damn it.
It's all good, bro.
I know I'm gonna get it, guys. Thank you so much for the
like I said, I'm about to short this shit down.
I'm just trading one right now, and I'm gonna be done after that. And then Tuesday next week, I'm gonna start all the other ones. The Apex account is done. I got 2 more. I have 3 more Topstep accounts. I'm gonna try to get 2 more of them funded, and then just hold one for like a reserve. I'll pay a monthly fee on that one just to hold it as a reserve. You know, just in case I do some dumb shit.
Yeah,
Topstep is monthly until you get funded. Once you get funded, you're good. You pay the one-time fee just like Apex. But that's why. But you can only have. I can have 3 total funded accounts, but I can only trade 3 at a. I can have more, but I can only trade 3 at a time funded. So I'm gonna keep one on like a subscription, just in case, you know, like basically trade it up to like, I don't know, like right $500 away from like 3,000. And then just hold on to it, right? So like if I blow one, I got one on reserve for a quick scalp 500, and then I'm right back in the game. Okay, all right. We're getting what we want right here. All right, come on down, baby. Come on down. My bad, Joe.
Damn, maybe I should
No,
have
I'm looking
taken.
for. I could have took the short. Honestly, I'm looking for a long
I'm
though. I could have took the short right there.
I'm in short at 6'9". I'm just
Yeah, that
looking.
was a
I'm just
great
looking to
short.
scalp this down to 50 and get the fuck
Yeah,
out.
that's all I
I'm
need.
just looking to
Like,
get this down
we're
to
gonna
50.
stay range bound. I love days like this. I'm like, oh, easy money. Say less. Say fucking less. Like, I don't gotta think. All right, just trade, bet.
Yeah, I'm
I
just trying to get this
I
down
need
to
10.
50.
I need a 10-point scalp. That's all I need. A 10-point fucking scalp.
Shit. I just fuck, man. Again, this son of a bitch. Just it's bouncing at the same fucking area. I'm not moving my stop this time though. I literally have like less than 10-point stop. So
I think you're at the origin of selling. So
no, I definitely am.
it's either gonna come back down or it's gonna fucking pop back up. So
yeah,
accept the risk. You know what I mean? We
Actually,
haven't been able to move higher. So
we just bounced off of the POC. So that makes sense.
and we haven't invalidated that high at 880.75, right?
Yeah.
So the high from 870 to 880 has been holding strong. So until we invalidate that high, like I think it's just scalp. It's a range territory for scalps.
Yeah, I like the higher time frame inverse head and shoulders on the 5 minute. I just hopefully we can push down here and break into that 5 minute.
Oh, and I see what you did. That's a low volume no right there too. Ooh, sexy. I like it.
Yeah, we'll see what happens though. We keep bouncing off the same fucking area, but I'm not moving my stop.
It's also the 9 EMA we keep bouncing on the 5.
And it's also fucking VWAP as well. So there's a lot of shit to get through, but if we get through it, we'll come down to 50. 50 is my target, so I'm not like super far away.
And then Zabak the midget says again, 90% off sale on Apex going on now. The code is save now, all caps. So shout out to my wife in the building. What's going on, lady? Love you. I'll be there making you some lunch. I'm gonna whip up some fresh salmon for you, some rice, and some steamed broccoli. Bro, we love salmon over here, bro. We cook that shit all the time. We love that shit. Baste that shit with the butter. You know what I'm saying? Put the seasonings on there. We get it popping in the pan. We get it popping like bacon in the pan. Hey. What's up?
I'm regretting my decision to not take a mini, but shit, looks like we're pushing up anyway.
Hey, careful.
Maybe the 5 micros was the smart thing.
No, bro. 5 micros is plenty, bro. Like when this shit flushes, like it's not like ES. If you're in the right direction, 5 micros is plenty. You gonna be like, oh, let's go.
Yeah, it's coming for my stop though. It's coming for it.
Yeah, I just like the longs. Like if I'm gonna scalp this, if I'm gonna scalp this, I'm only looking to play the long side because I'm playing the overall trend. So if we're gonna keep bouncing up and down, I'm gonna let these fucking shorts come back down. Yeah, exactly. Well, I mean the immediate trend is range, but I'm saying like if I'm gonna play the range, I just pick a side, and if I'm gonna pick a side, I'm gonna pick the macro side, which is the upside.
Well,
whenever it does happen, it's gonna be massive.
Look, I'm trying to.
Yep.
I was trying to do the Micaiah special, yeah, I was trying to do the Micaiah special. Get in, take a quick scalp low, and then take the real move back up.
Yeah, I don't do other people's specials because I don't practice their specials. I practice my special.
It was still my trade idea though. Like my trade idea, I think was still valid short right here. But I wasn't looking for like a fucking huge ass move. I'm only looking for like, I don't know, 15 points.
Bro, look at this 1 hour candle right now. There's no way.
That's what I'm saying.
That's how he does it. He does it like, he does it with like large sides. So.
That's what I was saying. I should have been in a mini, but it's all good though. I'm playing with profit anyway, and plus I gotta this account got to make a decision today. So at some point, my ass is either gonna hit a home run or not.
His account either gonna get funded or she for the streets.
She for the T streets, goddammit.
Shut up. Oh, aggressive selling in these highs.
Yeah, I don't like it. I
don't like it either. The 1 hour candle looks pissed.
I'm looking at this selling, it's not being rewarded. Like,
bro,
I don't like this.
Look at this candle. Look at this wick on the 1 hour, bro. This 1 hour candle looks pissed. But again, it's not
best behavior. Wife in the building.
yeah, all day. She know I'm a clown. She know I'm crazy. But she cuckoo. She cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. I love her though.
All right, we might have just put in another lower high here, so let's see what happens. I was in a bit of draw. I'm still in drawdown now. I'm not even looking at my chart though.
He said I was in a bit of drawdown, but yeah, nope, I'm still in drawdown.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, I'm in. Nope, I'm definitely still in drawdown right now.
Yeah, that's what he good with it though. Justin won't sell that shit. He say he won't sell. Sometimes he won't sell, but he.
I'm not looking at the chart right now. I'm not looking at my trade of 8, so I can't get out even if I want to. I'm looking at the stream, so I don't know what's going on. I know where my entry's at. I know I'm down.
You know what's going on.
But
you know what's going on.
But I'm up on the day, so if I take this hit, it's probably
it don't matter. Exactly. So. Like that's why I don't have any reserve on taking my next trade now. Like I know I'm up on the day, so my next trade that's why that trade was so easy. I knew I was up on the day. I should have just went to break even because I was already up $100. But I don't know. The FOMO of losing the money, right? The fear of losing the money was like too much for me. And I was like, no.
I mean,
but if I would have just waited and got up, I literally was like pulling myself away from the mouse, and then I still clicked it. I was like, ah. Oh boy, but that's trading, man. That's real time trading.
Eric said, what the fuck was that? I'm the name of Future Hendrix. My JA account get some free bands. What's a JA account? Your PA account? What?
PA account, I think.
Oh. Amen. Amen.
In the name, yeah. Let's go. Come on down, Jay. Get your money, baby.
I need it. Just come down 9 more points. 9 more points. 9 points.
That was a really nice hole because I'd have sold shit out this shit. I'm not even gonna lie. I'd be like, I'm out. Bro. That's
why the power of not looking at your motherfucking P&L screen.
Something like kids do when parents show up at the school unannounced. Yeah, it's like, oh, hey, baby, I love you so much. I am. You're the best. Can't wait to make you dinner. You know, be on your best behavior. Yeah, but she always here, man. She always in the building. She been one of those 3 to 5 people from day one. So.
Come on,
take
that. Bring your
Let's
ass
go,
down
Justin.
50.
Get your brand, baby. Let's go. I love it.
I really think I think the market's gonna rubber band too. This is gonna be a short-lived short because they are trying to sell this market right now.
I'll be on the other side collecting my $200. I want my last $2.
I just need this market to come down 9 points. You never have to try this fucking hard.
I got Topstep by the nutsack right now, bro. They don't even know I'm coming for that ass. I got them right where I want them. And low key, look, Joe, low key, this account resets on the 20th. So I was like, oh no, we getting this one funded right fucking now because I'm not paying another subscription fee. Today is the day. So today is the day.
Yeah, Malcolm, I like that. Malcolm says, hey, market champions, trust you having a sweet morning. You really make the chart FOMO behavior seem normal. I'm trying to fucking FOMO on this motherfucker. Goddammit.
Yeah.
5 more points. Come on, baby. Come on, Jeff. 5 more points. Come on.
I'm ready to come off the top rope on their ass. Let's go.
Bring your ass down.
Top rope. Let's go. Put me there off the table. Arms off the top rope. Boom, baby.
Bring your ass down. Come on, baby. 5 more points. Just give
this is really weird, though.
Why I gotta fight
Apple's
so damn
not
hard?
selling off. Well, I guess it is. It's still in a downtrend.
Shut up.
Oh,
sell off. Shut up.
Shut
sell
up.
off. 3 more points. Come on now.
Come on, 3 more points. Let's go. Get to the 50s.
Give me my fucking 50 scalp and we're good. Watch this bitch come down to 50, like 7.5 and not tap me in.
I mean,
oh no,
we're tapping my demand zone right now.
No, stop it.
We're tapping my demand zone right now.
It was a tick. It was literally a tick.
Oh
my god! I'm about to fucking take this motherfucking profit. Stop playing, bruh. Bro, it literally was a tick away.
Relax. You're about to get it.
Shut up, Hobbs. Shut up, Hobbs. All right, I'm going to break even because I'm not losing. This motherfucker better come tap this motherfucking 50. I'm literally 7 points away now. I was fucking like a tick away. Son of a bitch. If this motherfucker rallies, I'm about to be spiteful as fuck. Because on Trading View, this motherfucker tapped 7.5. Bro, no. You son of a bitch. No, I refuse.
I told you to get out. I told him to get out.
I refuse.
I told him I was coming off the top rope.
Wow.
I was coming off the top rope. I'm coming off the top rope.
I'm so sad. That's literally a tick. It was literally a tick. It was literally a tick. Are you in long?
Yeah, I'm long.
I would be long too.
I'm out for another 100.
I'm not even hating you right now. I'm out.
I'm out. I told you I was coming off the top rope. I said, you better get out. I'm coming off the top rope.
I'm so bad. I'm so bad. I'm about to cry.
I scalped for a quick 100. I just need $100 now. I'm good. I wasn't sure if this was the long officially because Apple's not reversing.
Let's go. That's why we hold, baby.
That's why I didn't want it. I was like, nah. I just let me
give me my 4 more points.
Yo, this is the most gangster hold of all time. Let's go, Justin.
Don't be a little bitch, Market. Don't be a little bitch, Market.
Do respect.
Do
respect, pal, bro. Come on, Jay. Get
your 5 down. Game recognized game, motherfucker. Get down.
Tell him where you from. Upstate New York in this bitch.
Come on, motherfucker. 2 points.
That was beautiful.
Points,
I should have shorted that scalp back down.
Stop playing. Get your ass down, Market. Get your ass down.
I took $100. Give me this shit. Give me this shit.
Come on, Market. Get your ass down.
Bro, I only need 100 more, bro. Matter of fact, let me go do my math real quick. Because these motherfuckers, this motherfucking Market. Yeah, well, I need to get my numbers. I need to get my total number real quick because Top Tips I just need to make sure I ain't making too much money.
This shit is playing.
I'm pretty sure I just need I'm over 54,000 right now, so I don't know how much more I need to make. Let me double check before I get too excited watching Justin fucking hold this dynamic ass trade right now.
Shit, I really want to get out, bro. I'm in so much pain.
He said I'm in so much pain right now.
I really want to get out. Like I just was like everything's just screaming, just take your money, you little bitch. But then it's like, shut up.
Yeah. This is what it's for. 5, 3.
Oh, I'm securing some profit.
Bro. Yeah, I'd have been gone. He crazy.
The pain is real, bro. The pain is real.
3, 5, 3, 9.
Yeah, I'm just in 5 micros.
Bro, I gotta make 246. So I need $200 more. Less than $200 more.
Bring your ass down. Come on. I'm fighting so hard for this goddamn 5 points. It's not even funny. Bring your ass down, Market.
All right, I need to make $169. Let's go. All right. So I just put on another one, but I need to make no. I was doing the calculations on my phone. My bad. I didn't trade anymore. I just put it in I put on another trade. It's the principal. Come on, Jay, man. Come on, Market 4J. Apple's still coming down, man. I think we about to take a trip. You might have caught a body. Oh,
nah. My stop has moved down to 6.2, so I don't know. I'm securing something.
He losing his fucking mind over there. Just take the profit, bro.
No.
You're 7 points. You know the rules. Don't be a dick for a tick, man. Take the fucking money.
I'm being a massive dick for a little tick right now. I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, he got one thought process. We getting this money or we not? What we doing?
Bro, I'm just hurt. This is like
Bears are coming. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I got stopped out. They got me. They got me. They got me. They got me.
What man said?
They got me.
Oh, and guess what? Hey, look. Hey, guess what? This shit about to fucking slam down. Look at the 5 minute, bro. We on that drop sector.
Nah, I see it. I see it.
I low key want to take this shit short so bad, but it's not even playing.
I'm going to 1 mini now. I made enough other day to go to 1 mini. I'm up like 350 other day, so we going to a mini now. Oh my god, that shit was hilarious.
Yeah, how much am I up on a day? I think I'm up like 600. Wow, low key. I'm not even thinking about how much I'm up. I'm just literally looking at how much I need. Look at this shit. Look at my trading day so far, Jay. Look, let me show you my performance. Bro, look at this shit. I'm fucking killing today's trade. 3 for 3, 550 on the day. Fucking no losses, no break evens, just a big ass green bubble. And I'm still not funded, people. I'm still not fucking funded. I need $169 more. That's all I need. But the market playing games, and I already know I'm gonna pick the wrong direction. Like it looks like we want to come down, but I'm not touching this shit because my thought process is I want to long the market here. But
this is where I'm looking along the market too.
Yeah, I ain't doing no scalping shit. Like I'm gonna take a real trade the next time I trade. So
now you
see my little quick
bitch.
scalp right here. I took this little quick scalp for like $100. It was a 5-point scalp.
I know. I saw. That son of a bitch.
Oh, TP hit?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, it hit the 50s. Oh,
it hit the 50s. It wanted to play with me at the low.
To the tick. Ooh.
Play with me to the low like a motherfucker. Goddamn. But yeah, the selling's a lot. So I'm expecting this inverse head and shoulders to play out on the 5 minutes. So I'm just waiting.
Yeah, I like the longs to the upside from here. I just want to see the market. There we go. There's the market. Come on, buyers. Get busy down here. This shit is horrible, bro. Like, I just need some real price action. I thought OPEX was going to be a volatile day. This shit is just lame. Oh, the afternoon session. I won't be here for that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be here for that neither.
My wife said, "Don't chase, don't be greedy." Look at her learning the lingo. Let's go.
Don't be greedy.
I think I need a Denzel Washington voice over on some of your commentary. My man.
Oh Lord. Now you got me started.
Hobbs suffering from success for real. No, man. These are blessings, man. Like these are like, dude, like Justin and I have been through. Y'all just don't know, man. Discord family know. We've been through a lot. Like fucking cussing each other out, fucking fighting, all type of shit, losing account after account after account, and now like you could just feel the growth, right? Like you just feel it. Honestly, if your woman is supporting you in trading, you will win. Well, don't make me cry. Most women are haters to those games when the husband is trading. Man, my wife is the best of the best, bro. Like, no offense to nobody else's wife, but I feel like my wife is the best. But I'm biased, obviously. My wife will kick your ass. Niggas. Why did I take that long? Here we go.
Yeah, I got it long, y'all. I got it long on that push.
That was beautiful.
We'll see what happens. Beautiful. I'm in a whole mini.
I agree. I agree, Joe. Like I'm just not feeling comfortable with the chop.
Fuck. Oh my god, my price target is in fucking no man's land right now. Holy shit.
I don't know. I just don't like the price action, man. Like we look super bullish on the tape. Like, all right, let's do a quick chop up on the lay of the land. The market is fucking choppy, guys. Everything that's the thing that's coming down the most is Google. Google and Microsoft are pushing us down. Apple's trying to hold us up, which is probably the reason why the indices are super choppy. Nvidia sitting right below the previous day high, right? All funded accounts hit targets, 5 combines, his daily profit max. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Emmett. Kill count, baby. Kill counts. Those are 5 Apex accounts, right? Let's get it. First day out the gates. Fucking Ferraris over here. Discord family out here showing the fuck out. Y'all better quit showing the fuck out here, baby. Let's go. Of course, twice. He said I second that. My wife is the best too, 100%, man. Right now, guys, like I'm totally content with just sitting on my hands until Tuesday. If this price action doesn't get better, like it just feels really trappy, right? So for me to take another trade inside of this chop, like let's just do this, okay? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blow up the 15-minute chart, okay? And I just want to show you guys something. The reason why I don't want to trade this anymore, right? Like I've had a little fun. I went 3 for 3. I was expecting bigger moves, but just look at the 15-minute. We're basically barcoding, right? Like we're trading sideways right now. So the quality of trades inside of this chop is something that I don't really want to be a part of anymore. I'm just going to take my ball and go home. I'm up 500 on a day. There's no need to even force anything. Um, I'm I'm probably more than likely gonna go and like make my wife some dinner here in a little bit or some lunch, take her some food, and just enjoy my day. Like this is a success. Like I shouldn't try to force something that I see not working out. Right. Like NQ since this morning's open. Okay. Now think about how much NQ's ran in your lifetime, right? Just think about all the beautiful days NQ has had, right? And think about this. Since 8:30 this morning, we're gonna go to 8:30 right here. This candle right here. We've been in a 54-point range on NQ. 54.25 range on NQ. We've moved 0.34% today. That tells me I'm playing with fire, right? I'm 3 for 3, but I'm playing with fucking fire. So until we get some bigger moves on the day, I'm a relax, right? I'm gonna just relax and let this market play itself out because that's just reality, right? Like I need to face reality. Reality is the market hasn't moved at all. And if I want to continue to trade properly when I get into my funded accounts, I need to take emotions out of it and just look at the facts. The fact of the matter is we haven't gone any fucking where, and I don't want to trade that. So I'm just gonna wait. Growth, exactly. In all phases, man. You gotta grow. You gotta grow. And the best way for me to grow is to look at the facts, right? Yep. I'm good, man. I don't need it, man. Mm, yep, I like it. Let me see. Let me see what's up. I just need 5 points, low key, like 5 to 7 points. That's the fucking double bottom tap right there. Yeah, I missed it. Triple bottom. Yeah, he said that's a triple bottom. What the fuck you looking at?
Yeah,
Yeah, but there's
if somebody come back down though.
oh, that's aggressive. I like that. Yeah, I'm in hesitation mode now, so I'm just yeah. No, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready to trade it because I was talking, so I'm not gonna chase it. But women don't understand. That's all a man needs is support. Yeah, I found the right one, man. Like she changed my life, bro. Like low key, I thought I had everything until I met my wife. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Like I was never like the emotional type at all. Like since I met my wife, I feel like I cry so much more. I'm like shit, fuck, yeah. But yeah, man, like she completes my puzzle, bro, for sure. I used to only trade Nvidia when I was trading options. I love the 5 to 7 point moves or $5 to $7 movements she would offer every day. Will forever hold a place in my heart. I love it. I love it. Let's go, Emmett. Let's get it. Yeah, like you gonna take my 400 and run later, guys? Oh, you gonna take your 400 and run? Jay, did you still in, or did you
Nah,
get stopped up?
nah, I got stopped out.
Yeah,
I'm looking for this re-entry on this short though, or on this long. I mean,
yeah. If I would have been paying attention, that liquidity sweep is exactly what I wanted, and I could have fucking took that for 5 or 6 points. But if we come down again, get a nice liquidity sweep at a demand zone area, I'll look to take this on a retest of the or a lower high potentially being put in. Nothing would make me feel better than to fucking just finish this shit off today. But if the gods present it, I'll get it. Nvidia, Apple, what's Apple doing? Yeah, see, Apple's still holding this market up, man. Tesla's just going nuts. Yeah. Just wait for better price action, man. Like this looks like another rejection of the 9 EMA here on the
yeah,
5.
I basically have two options here. If we start pushing up above this 5 minute candle, I'm gonna take the
Mhm.
market long and just go for it. If we come, but I would much rather us come down, put it in a higher low, and then go. But it looks like the market just wants to push up out of here. This is also a downtrend as well. We like faked out the downtrend to the downside and then popped right back up into the range. But I'd much
Yeah.
rather us come back down, retest the bottom part of this range where we broke out from. Yeah, because see, we would have if I would have longed you right there, it would have been fucking trapped everybody. It should have been bad for business.
Yeah, they trying to cook. It's cooking season over here, bro.
Yeah, there's a lot of selling, but we weren't able to break the low. So and then we bounced right back up. So there's a big amount of passive orders sitting at what is this 382, and then they're loading up at 40. So I'm hoping we come down a little bit. We complete this 5-minute inverse head and shoulders, and we end up rallying. Because if we complete this inverse head and shoulders on the 5-minute, I think I can hold this for a good amount of time. If we can get above the pre-market low, maybe I'll target like high of day or something.
So yeah, it looks like they're just trapping more buyers down here. My opinion. Because every time we get those aggressive pushes up, they get met with more and more selling. But let's see if we put this lower high in here. Or higher low in right here. Oh, I don't know. I'm over it. Now I feel bad for zip tying your toilet paper. Yeah, she zip tied my toilet paper last night, guys. It's fucking crazy. This girl's nuts.
All right.
She zip tied the toilet paper when I went to go take a poop. My zip tie, my toilet paper was zip tied. I had to get the scissors. She put a note and said it's the principal. And then I went to go get up and she had a note on the gummy bears that said, "Hi there," and the scissors were next to it. I was like, my wife is insane. She's freaking insane. The last 5-minute candle marked the third time ES failed to break its low of day. She might try again, but every new attempt resulted in a higher low, less and less sellers attempting it. Yeah. I think that we're going to go up. I just don't like the way the market's playing games up here. So
yeah, we got to break. Well, that's what we got to break. That's what I'm looking for. We got to break above. If you go to my screen, we got to break above this right here because every time we've come and touched it, we failed. So the market just put in a lower high at the low, but we got to break this here. And the 5-minute looks really good. We're finding buyers. We just got to close above here and be bullish. So.
Yeah, about another minute and a half left in this 5-minute candle. So see what happens.
See if we can push. And that's why I didn't want to play the break up here. I would much rather let this come down, but then play hopefully we can break above this high volume node here and get back up into this area. So we'll see. I guess I'll let y'all know. I got long at 851. So
that's it, boys.
Got him. I'm in 2 minis. I'm up 630 right now. So yeah, I'm going for 880 right now.
That's it. I'm funded.
What? Got it. Oh, you got long too?
Give me that shit.
Let's go.
That's it, boys. That's it. Yep. I just needed a quick 5-point scalp. Let's go. Let's go. Fucking go. Woo! Look, last trade of the day. All done, skis. That's it, boys. That's all she wrote. 54,232. Scalped it right here. Got in at 858. Expecting this nice bullish inverse head and shoulders. We got above this high of this previous candle. I got in at 858.50. Scalped it right into 866. I only needed 5 points to get funded. I gave it an extra couple points because I was like, nah, we ain't doing that. So, all right, that's 2 in the bag, 2 funded accounts in a week. Let's go. Discord fam, let's keep eating. I'm going to go buy some more accounts and I'm going to keep doing my thing, baby. Let's go.
Let's go.
Top step over with. Kiss my ass.
I'm up 610 right now on this trade. I'm trying to hold this bitch though. I think I got in off the 5 minutes, so I think I can hold. I can hold for a true momentum move. The target's 9.
I think we're about to push. I only sold it because I was in.
Yeah, because you
I ain't need that much.
You had to. Nah, yeah. I'm low key trying to save this account right now, but I can only make 1,500. I don't know what 1,500 is, but as soon as I hit 1,500, I'm out. So I'm up 7. I'm halfway there. I'm halfway to 1,500. I'm up $700 right now. Yeah, I'm in 2 minis. Bro.
Let's go. He got his cushion, so he good.
Well, I don't got the cushion no more. I kind of blew the cushion, but it didn't matter. This setup was high quality, so I didn't give a fuck.
Yeah, it was high quality. Like money is money. That shit, you can make that shit back, no problem. Let's get it.
Yeah, this was high quality. I am going to move my.
Oh my god, bro! The fees. I'm off by fucking. I'm sick of this shit. I'm sick of this shit. I'm sick of this. Yeah, I took it was a high quality fucking reversal. I took it, and now I need $13, y'all.
Oh, you better get in some micros.
Oh, I'm definitely not trading a mini for fucking one for $13. I need one micro. That's all I'm gonna trade is one micro, and I need $13. That's it.
All right,
damn, man,
coming back down.
Well, let me go. Let me go. Top step. Let me go. Let me go. Top step. Shit. Leave me alone. Shit, bro. I can't get out of this shit. Yeah.
They're not done with you.
Yeah, they like bring that ass here, boy. All right, fuck it, man.
Get your ass up, market.
Break. All right. Let's ask the chat in the Discord. Do I go back into the market? Look, do I go back into the market and get these $13, or do I just leave the market alone and wait till Tuesday? Y'all let me know what y'all want me to do. Y'all want me to go get the $13?
I think you go for it. Honestly.
I say I go get the $13, right? Like it's $4 a point. We need 3 points, 4 points. We'll trade 3 micros.
I don't like it.
That's $6 a point. We need 3 points. That's all I need. All right, but I'm gonna get 5 because. See, and the fact that I even have to, man, that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna just try to get a 10-point banger. Okay, that's what I'll be exiting clear on these minis. Let me get up out of there, and then let me go over here to these micros and let's take a quick scout for 3 points. That's all we need, or 5 points. I don't know how much the fees are for micros. What's up? Yeah, that's it, right? He's just made $13. Like, don't fuck this up. Damn, man, it's just so choppy.
It is choppy. We're not getting any continuation to the upside. Stop playing. Fucking dumbass, fucking scammers. All right, we're still in this trade. I'm up 650, 680. Still moving up. I almost got stopped out, but we're back up. So hopefully we can push. It looks like we're flagging up here at these highs on the tape. I like the pull down and the push back up, but we gotta fucking continue to push and break above VWAP. Let's check. Let me check ES. I could continue to keep scalping, but I got in on the 5 minute, so I'm trying to let the 5 minute play out and work for me. You know what I mean?
But you got to remember the 5 minute supply at the top too, right? Like we haven't been able to break the tops. So
yeah, that's true.
You know, this is kind of similar to yesterday. We had that 15-minute supply at the top, and the overall trend right now of this sideways trading is to the downside, right? So just be careful there.
I'm securing like $300, so I'll look to get back in.
God, this chop is so real.
Yeah, at the highs, we just like.
Bro, I don't even want to know. Let me look. Oh my god. The range on ES is 830 right here. 425 to 445.14, 10 points.
All right, we could be getting a drop base rally or a rally base rally here. That's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for a rally-based rally here.
Bro, this price action is booty.
It is pretty trash with these highs.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I think you spoke too soon. Yesterday, you was like, yeah, yesterday was the worst trading day of the year. No, this is the worst fucking trading day.
I thought you said yesterday was the best trading day of the year.
I said yesterday was the best. He started off saying that it was the worst. I was like, man, no. Today was the worst. This is a fucking 35, 54 point range. ES is in a 10-point range all day, bro. Like, fuck that. Look at these buyers. They're trying to push this shit, though.
Yeah.
Demand's been holding, but so is supply. So, like, this is just sideways trading right now. Take my ball and go home, bro.
Bull Bears are really trying right here to bring price down. They might be successful.
Oh, did we have scammers come into the chat?
No. My phone. I got a text message from scammers. That's all.
Just leave it alone. Jeffrey said, "Hell no, just leave it alone." I mean, I'm not tripping. If I go down to micro size, like I'm genuinely not tripping. Ooh.
I'm out. I just got out. I took my paper.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just took my paper and got out.
See, that's why I can't fuck with this shit today, man.
Yeah. I might look to re-enter though, because this is strong selling. If this gets met with buying,
bro, how many fucking lots is that's 350 lots? They trying to dump this bitch.
Yeah, they really
and they still can't do it.
It came right back down to my entry too.
I'm really looking to scout this with my little $13 right here.
The market moving sideways as shit.
Man, go get up out of here. Don't wait on me, bro. Like, I bet. Damn. See, I should have just shorted up there where Justin was in his I ain't rushing shit, bro. I'm chilling. This is aggressive selling. Yeah, it's been I feel like the demand holds have been much stronger, but these supply holds are just fuck. They flushing too though. Come on.
Yeah, this is complete trash sideways action.
Yeah, that's why I say you gotta change your mindset when you in this shit. You gotta change that shit to scalp, like, bro, like 10, 20 points, get the fuck out. They on some other shit today. Look at this shit. Okay, now we're getting some fucking sell off here. Are we gonna break structure this time? If this doesn't break, we're definitely coming back up aggressively.
Yeah, I think
it is. Got that pew pew activity to it.
I think this time we might break, which is why I want to go long.
Ooh. Yeah, let's see if we break these lows this time. Yeah, I agree with you. I'm looking for the longs back up. Because I mean, 827, there's no volume traded down there at 827.
Yeah, they hold.
Not yet. I think we get one more flush.
Let's see where Apple's at. Apple could potentially be making a higher low here on Apple. So coming in. All right,
there's a nice flush. That's why I said not yet. Not yet. It's a lower daybreak here. Let's see. Come on. Yep. Lower daybreak. Just want aggressive buying coming in here. 827 is the lower day. There's the lower day break. See if they can break it, or we get some buyers to step in here. Yeah, everybody got quiet to the motherfucker. Everybody like, yeah, this that area right here. So I'm trying to get an entry down here, and let's see if we break this. Then it's gonna be good night. But I'm very interested in this area. Yeah, they don't look like they stepping up just yet, but they absorbing price right here. Maybe we get one more flush. Yeah, that was. Here we go.
Yeah, Apple hasn't broken its low yet.
Little something, little something. They trying to lose some. That liquidity is so thick right here. My screen is like, my fucking book map is bright white in this area for buyers. Like, they are definitely trying to load up and try to defend this. I just want to see them step in here. Man, sometimes we get that absorption first, and then we push out of here. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that might have been a fake out. Oh, they about to come get me. No.
Oh, you took the long on the first push back up?
Yeah, I was trying to get a quick push up. We never even got nowhere out of my shit. They was like, yeah, get the fuck out of here, weak bitch. I'm still long. I'm just, my stop's below the low.
Yeah.
I'm only in 3 micros. I don't give a fuck. I can make that back. I'm not worried about it. Nothing they can do to me today is gonna hurt me. Nothing. ain't nothing they can do to me that can hurt me today. So they can do whatever the fuck they want to do. If I take a loss, so be it. If I don't, it's all good. Where I like the trade right here. I like the setup. So we gonna ride with that.
Yeah, looks like ES is trying to come back up.
Yeah, come on
There you
to
go,
daddy.
you good?
Come on to daddy. Bring that ass here, boy. Come on. Yeah. Yeah,
They let
that's
that
right.
liquidity go and they moved it up, so
Yeah.
that's good.
Take that. Come on. Bring that ass here, boy. 246. Come on. Yeah, that was really good. Really good energy. I like your
now,
vibe.
Right?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just getting a little more right now. I'm good.
Damn,
I'm just making for damn sure, nigga. I mean, brother. Yeah, we good. We funded. Yeah, we good. 254. We needed 246. We're fucking good now. Okay, now we're officially funded, guys. All right. There's no question about it that was a funded. All right. So let's go. Let's fucking go.
Damn, we never pulled back. That's
Again,
tough.
we took the same trade. We've been seeing it all day. Literally a fucking liquidity grab. Literally, we took the same trade every time. Long here, long here, long here. You could have shorted the tops. Like, this shit's fucking textbook today. So don't nuke it, guys. I'm fucking done. I'm gonna go make fucking salmon for my wife. I'm done. I'm fucking funded. We're fucking killing this shit, baby. Let's go. Don't leave it for Tuesday, the $13. Yeah, 2 accounts in 1 week. Let's fucking go. Bullseye, baby. That's my favorite trade officially now. Like, the liquidity sweep is where it's at, guys. I could have held that trade. I think this thing's about to go yard, but what I saw is everything that I like to see out of a trade, right? Like, everything. And if you want to know more, Discord link is in the top of the chat. It's $15 to try it out for a week, $40 a month. We'll be doing a VC. I'm gonna try to get one done today after the stream, and then we'll definitely do one. I think, Jay, you said Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah, so we'll try to get one done on Saturday to kind of go over the strategy that Justin and I are using. What are we seeing? Because we don't just use one specific strategy. We have a specific strategy that we go to, but it's kind of based off market structure. But we give you more than that. Like, we teach you how to read the tape. We talk about the things that we see on the tape. We have a whole library of screenshots that we go through to show you exactly what we like to see over and over and over and over again. So needed to get $13. I did take a little bit of a haircut loss on micros silently in the background. So I had to get a little bit more money. But I took one loss on the day. It was a very small loss. I tried to long the market at the high like an idiot, right? And then I took a little bit of a 20-point loss or something like that on 3 micros. And then I made it all back here for 15 points. So you can see my performance report right here on the day. I took that one loss. It was only a 16%. My wins on the day were $715. I needed to make 707. Took 6 trades, won 5, lost 1. My loss was a $49 loss. So, oh wait, let me take this shit off the screen. My loss was a $49.50 loss. My wins were $715. So, from a risk to reward standpoint, it was a kill count. So, 83% winners on the day, 16% losers on the day. Like I said, Discord link is in the top of the chat, man. This was a really tough day to trade, honestly. Like, if you think about it, like 54-point range is kind of tough. But at the same time, if you have a plan, it wasn't really a 53-point range for us. It was more like it was a 30-minute demand zone and a 15-minute supply zone above us. So for us today, even though it was a smaller range, it was still quality. It was still high quality to trade in that area. So every time we came down, and that's why I said, like, for me, every time the longs came in, I would look to trade them. And here was a little bit of FOMO, right? The one loss that I took, I'll look back on this loss and I say, that was a FOMO loss. I was literally just trying to get 5 or 10 points. And to be quite honest with you, I needed $13. At one point, I was up 16. And I didn't take it because I didn't know how much the fees was going to be and I didn't want to take another trade. So I really could have won this trade, but FOMO, calculations, all that other shit, it just kind of bled into my brain. So the next trade, I was like, nope, I'm not taking another trade until I like exactly what I see. And, you know, I'll show you guys over here on the tape exactly what I see when we come into these liquidity grab areas too, before I go. It's 10:05. So let me jump over here because I know Justin's got to go too. So I'm going to switch over to my screen. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I like to trade when we come into these areas, right? And I talk about this in great detail with the Discord all the time. Like, this is one thing that we focus on a lot because I've seen it. All right, Joe, appreciate you, man, for stopping by and hanging out with me so you could watch me get this last one funded. Well, not last one. I got plenty more, but I'm not putting another account at risk with this shit. But yes, sir, man. Enjoy your weekend, brother.
All right, peace, Jonah.
All right, so what we like to see is all of this aggressive selling, right? It comes into this area of interest. And the reason why this is an area of interest, I'm going to zoom out a little further so you guys can see. DJ Blitz and Pieces say scared money don't make money. Exactly. That's why I went on and put the trade on, because I ain't no bitch. But I'm going to show you guys exactly this morning when we had all of this aggressive selling come into this area, and then we had these aggressive buyers come out, right? So what I did was I marked this box right here, and I marked it on the candlestick chart, and I marked it on Bookmap, right? So if we just come across here and look at what happened every single time we came into this box. Pause, right? Every time the bubbles came into this box, it was met with the liquidity sweep. Well, it was a liquidity sweep, and it was immediately met with more buying, right? So every time I took this trade right here, long, win. We came back down. I took this trade again, long, win. We came back down. Remember, I got long up here, which I shouldn't have, because I didn't get any of the signals that I normally like to look for. I didn't get any of those. That was a dumb trade. I shouldn't have taken it. I took my lumps. We came back down again. And as soon as I saw this liquidity sweep, literally at this exact same level, I said, I'm getting long again. Boom. 1, 2, 3, easy money, right? So I can't tell you how many times I've seen this happen. Literally every day this happens. Either to the upside or to the downside, we see the same thing every single time. And I'm telling you, if you're just patient enough and you just wait for that rubber band to make it to its extreme of the day, except for trending days, that's just a whole nother thing. Me and Justin hate trending days. Like, we're working on trying to play those better, but trending days just suck because you literally get one chance to get in, and then the rest of the time you're just getting baby pullbacks all day. So that's why, like, traders that trade like Justin and I, we struggle on days where the market just runs or dumps all day because we like setups like this. So, Justin, you got anything to add to that, sir?
Nope. I'm about to be Mr. Blow Your Account today because this is the last day of my account. So,
you about to go ham?
yeah. I took another trade. It didn't work out. So this account renews in like 2 days. So this is either like save your account and do some real dynamic shit, or let it go.
Well, is the account over 15? Even if you go to 3,000, if you make 3,000, you can't. No. You're just trying to get to 1,500.
Yeah, I get to 1,500 on the day, and then the account will be saved. But I'm looking right now. I'm looking at this as a potential inverse head and shoulders in the golden pocket. So that's kind of where I'm looking to maybe short this if we can make a higher low here, which it looks like we're trying to put in. Yeah, so.
And I think you're spot on with the shorts, Jay, because every single time we've come up lower. Besides the first time when we came up, we had these equal highs up here, right? Like every time we come up here, we come down lower and we come up lower, right? In other words, we're putting in lower highs, right? This was the high. This was the next high. This was the next high. We're putting in lower highs and lower lows. So theoretically, this is just a falling wedge down. I don't know if buyers will be able to defend it again, but there's a huge buyer down here at 791 that every time we come down here, 791 through 796 area, he buys the market back up very aggressively. So, but Black Beauty Machine says individual stocks move well when futures is sideways. I just don't like to trade individual stocks on options unless the VIX is much higher. Right. I like the volatility to be up, but I agree with you. I know that, from being an options trader in the past myself, I know that there are a lot of stocks that are probably moving out there, but I've come to realize that trading futures allows me to just focus on two indices, and I get a very good relationship with them. Right. But I also build a relationship with the Nvidias, the Apples, the big six, because I'm watching them all the time. So when I do trade options, the individual stocks that I'll trade are going to be the six that I've been watching just as long as I've been watching the futures. So then Eric says, got long 2 ES at 45.14, looking for a 2-point scalp. Bet. Today is honestly not a good day to scalp ES, because if NQ is in a 54-point range, we just showed you ES is in a 10-point range. So, but if you like that, that's also good.
It's good to scalp if you're going to size the fuck up.
That's true. Got my 2-point boys. Oh, there you go. Congrats, brother. Congrats. Yeah. Not going to lie, these range days are nice. Yeah, I like them, Jeffrey. I like them too. Yesterday was a nicer range. It just seems like the range is getting tighter. So whatever move comes out of here is going to be an aggressive move. Maybe we get it today. Maybe we get it on Monday. Like I said, just a reminder for all of you guys in chat today, we don't trade Mondays. I'm sorry. I don't trade Mondays, but next week we're going to be closed all week, right? So Just a heads up, the shop will be closed, but if you want to trade with us, the Discord link is in the top of the chat right above your head. It's $15 to try it out for a week. It's $40 per month. We'll do VCs, and then we'll also put out pre-market plans. Well, this is actually might be a pretty good long stepping in. I'm not sure, but
yeah, I'm like,
it's
damn,
too choppy to
bro.
decide. It's just too choppy to decide. It is the 5-minute demand zone, and we keep tapping it and holding those wicks. So that's what I like about it. But the volume's just not. It just hasn't been there. But yeah, but for me, Jay, I don't know if you want to stick around, but I'm about to get ready to get out of here, man. I gotta go get some food.
Yeah, I gotta go here in a little bit, so you can go ahead and get off. I guess I'll let y'all know whether whether this blows or whether this goes, because this is probably the last trade in the account, so we'll see.
Hey, it's all good, man. Like, fuck them accounts. Go to the next one, baby. Here's the push out of here. So, are you long or are you short?
Nah, I'm short.
Okay. I like the longs here, but
yeah,
the shorts could work out too. So
yeah, I'm betting on a higher low here, but yeah, I don't know. We'll see.
I just look at it like we're at the bottom of the range, so you should be looking to get long unless you're expecting this range to break here.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the Trader Shop, man. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter. Join the Discord if you like to. If not, come back and see us after the holidays. The regular Trader Shop will be closed. Again, we will be trading in the Discord. The Discord link is in the description of this video of the live stream, or if you're in the live chat, it should be posted to the live chat right now. Enjoy your breakfast, broski. Appreciate y'all, boys. For real, video vibe so chill. Thank you. Have a great happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Got a bad heart condition, still eating hog mog and chitlins? Y'all stupid.
Jesus.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. But for me and Jay, happy Thanksgiving, and enjoy the rest of your day, man. Don't do nothing stupid in these markets.